we have a situation in our hands, guys. A big situation, a big problem with Amazon. Because if you've been on Amazon Trader, if you hang out with other sellers, we talk with other sellers on Discord, you probably know that Amazon is regaining a lot of brands and a lot of brands that a lot of people use to make money with, right? So a lot of people are losing their shit on Twitter. And we are going to talk about this today, and I'm going to tell you that you should not worry about it, all right? But before I do, we have a Discord server, link in the description, best place to meet other sellers, best place to talk about what's going on with Amazon, best place to ask any questions you may have regarding selling on Amazon, all right? So, as I said, we have a situation. We were notified on the Discord by first Austin and Elrose, a shout out to you guys, by the way, that, you know, Amazon was getting other brands, and I think that it's important to look at the language that is used, all right? So here's an email that Austin received saying, hello, as part of our ongoing effort to provide the best possible customer experience, we have implemented additional approval requirements for Glossier products. But effective May 23rd, you will need approval to list the affected products. If you do not, okay, in short, if you are, like, you're gonna be gated again, and if you do not ask for approval, if you do not get ungated again in that brand, your inventory is gonna get stranded, all right? That's it. But it said, how can I reinstate my listing? To request approval, go to the approval required view within the fix your product page in Seller Central and select request approval or see the following. So, it's not that these brands are getting restricted, just like it happened with Lancôme, like it happened with other brands. This is not what's happening. Brands are just getting regated, right? And you just need to ungate them. So this is why you should not lose your shit, like the people, like those dumbass people on Twitter, all right? And by the way, Twitter is trash. So Amazon Twitter is trash. Like, it's not good to pull yourself with people that are always negative about stuff. And like, it's good to have some news and, you know, some strategies, but like, try to distance yourself from that crowd, in my opinion. But I digress. It's fine. You just need to get ungated again. So for example, like most of the brands for which it happens are brands that open themselves up to sellers lately. So for example, Lego, I never got ungated in Lego, and I did not have to request approval. I did not have to send documentation. It just opened up by itself, right? So Lego got regated again, and you know, it feels like, because the same thing has happened with Squishmallow. Austin told us in the Discord server, and I checked on my account, I cannot sell Squishmallow anymore. I need to request approval. And the thing is that you guys know how to get ungated in those brands. I showed you tons of strategies. I have a whole, and I'm sorry, I'm getting a little bit sick, but I got a whole playlist on how to ungate stuff. So just do the same thing. Get your invoice, ungate stuff. I'll put the playlist right there. Just get ungated if there's brands that you sell. Just get an invoice that way, do Amazon to Amazon, whatever, you'll get ungated, you'll get approval, and then your inventory will not be stranded anymore. If you just want to start selling those brands, it's fine, do the same thing, all right? It's not a big deal. You're gonna deal with stuff like that. It's a minor problem, it's a minor issue. Just get your invoice, ungate your inventory, re-ungate those brands, you'll be fine. 99% chance you'll be fine. If not, you're fucked, but like, you're not. All right, you're not fucked. Just get your invoice, get ungated again, and like, no need to lose your shit on Twitter. All right, so that's it for today. Quick video. Watch how to get, if you do not know to get ungated because you sold, like, it's fine. As I said, I have a whole playlist, and yeah, check out the playlist, get ungated. Watch those other videos on the screen. Follow, like, subscribe, all that stuff. I release a new video about selling on Amazon every single day. So if you do not want to miss any news, if you do not want to fuck it, just follow the channel, like this video. I'll see you tomorrow.